Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Swagbucks application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks app on your device, and after you are taken into the homepage, you will see the Continue with Google as well as the email option. You can tap on either one of these to sign up and create your new account. If you choose the Google option, you can directly select your Google account within your phone to continue the sign up process. If you choose email, just type in your email address that you wish to sign up with. After typing it in, you can tap on the Continue button, and now you will be asked to enter your password that you wish to set for your account. Just type in your account password and then agree with the terms and conditions. You can then tap on the Join Now button, and now you may continue forward to start using the application right away. Once the sign up process is completed, you will also need to check your inbox, where you will find the confirmation email. Just open up this email and tap on the Confirm Email Address option, and now this will verify your account right away. And now that your account is verified, you can start using the Swagbucks application to start earning through various different methods. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Swagbucks application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.